Okay, do you work or are you a student?
Well, I'm not doing any work. I'm a student.
Mhm. Okay, can you tell me about your studies?
Actually, I completed my senior secondary education. Now I am pursuing graduation in commerce stream.
Hmm. Okay, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is course accounting. It is very interesting and practical because I am practical student, so I like it.
Hmm. Okay, what is your study plan?
After my graduation completed, I am planning go to abroad for higher study.
Mhm. Okay, and how long do you study daily?
I long 5 and 6 hours daily.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay, do you plan or do you manage your time?
I manage set a table and according I work this table.
Mhm. Okay, this is time for your cue card. And your topic for cue card is describe a movie which made a strong impression on you. There are some questions like name of the movie, what the movie was about, who the main stars were over there, and explain why you enjoyed the movie. So this is your topic and you can note down your points over here.
Okay.
Take it. You can keep it with you, please.
Okay, sir.
The pen you can use over here. Your time starts now. Okay, your time's up. Start, please.
Well, I have watched many movies in my life, such as educational, actions, drama, comedy, and so on. But here I would like to discuss about one movie that is Surkhi Bindi. It is a Punjabi movie. I watched this movie with my friends in cinema halls. And this movie main character, most popular Punjabi singer Gurnaam Pullar and Sargun Mehta in this husband and wife role in this movie. And in the movie show like a love story, but the highlight to which husband support her wife to fulfill her dreams. And the movie is identify an era of female satiric importantly Punjab importantly social message. And in which movie they show full package of comedy, drama, emotions, but the highlight the importance of sport and understanding to each other. And film's actor desire to settle in Canada, and her husband fulfill her dreams. Firstly, he encouraged her to participate, take in fashion show because she is very well in fashion. So she faced many difficulties during this competition, but her husband stand with every thick and thin situations, and she won this competition and received a trophy and 5 lakh rupee to give her husband. And the movie most giving, empowering our women, and it is a motivational movie for every woman to never give up her dreams and believe in her partners. And I felt very glad because I watched this movie, understand the relation and a strong bonding between husband and wife.
Okay, can you give me that back, please? Thank you. Let me ask you some more question.
Okay, sir.
So, are films popular where you come from?
Yes, of course. Films are very popular and great impact on everyone's mind. As I belong to Punjab, the masses are very influentially Punjabi heroes, and they watch film regular basis.
Okay, are people going to the cinema more these days compared with 25 years ago?
Yes, definitely. People these days must visit much to cinema halls as compared to 2.5 decades because theaters facility available everywhere.
Okay, can you tell me any other reason as well why they go to the cinema more nowadays?
Because they like to big screens and they feel real stories at a place.
Okay, so what films are popular with young people?
Younger generation mostly love to watch action, drama, comedy, superhero, and science fiction are most popular among youngsters.
Okay, and do people taste in film change as they grow older?
Yes, definitely. Younger people change taste and like actions, drama, actions, and science fictions movie. But in a older grow, they can watch religious movie and family drama, comedy.
Okay, last question for today, and that is, will people still go to the cinema in the future?
Yes, definitely. I think popularity of cinema will not fade in future. People continue go to cinema. They are experience and they offer and spend quality times with their families and loved ones.
Okay, this is the end of your test. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.